How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys a dumbbell forearm workout that you can do at home for beginners. Before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training or interested in buying some cool fitness gear, have a look in my description box. So let's get started. I will show you guys 3 exercises that are absolutely phenomenal for getting you guys those big forearms, allowing you to really train and get so you can grip heavy things, hurt people's hands when you give them handshakes, and just basically all in all helping your forearms. Here's the thing about your forearms, you guys. You got to kind of know a little bit about the anatomy. So I will show you guys some things just before we begin. So the muscle right here, when you do this is called your anterior flexor. So that's the muscle, you can see it working. That's your anterior flexors. When you do this and you can see that muscle working, that's your posterior extensors. You also have muscles in here that cause your wrist to abduct and adduct, you guys. So abduction and adduction in your wrist. So it's good to train all of those movements very well. So I will be showing you guys the exercises based on that. So the first one that we are going to do is we're going to be doing dumbbell wrist rolls. Very important exercise. All you're going to do is get a dumbbell just like this. It doesn't matter as long as there's hands on it. And if you have dumbbells, you can make them smaller. Just use 5 pounds and grip them. And now what you're going to do, you guys, is we're just going to rotate like this. We're just literally going to keep rolling our hands. And you do this for a decent period of time. Let's just do it for maybe 20 seconds. Let's start right now, 20 seconds. Okay, the weight's about to fall because I'm actually uncurling it, so we'll leave it there. My forearms are freaking scorched, you guys, and you can see when I'm doing that, you can see the extensors working like freaking crazy, you guys. If you guys notice me, I got some pretty decent posterior extensors. That's from doing lots of dumbbell wrist rolls. And you can do it for a decent period of time. Whatever you can do for a time, just slowly progress over time. If you can only do 20 seconds, that's fine. Do 25 seconds every other day, do 30 seconds every other day, and just keep progressing up until you get to a decent period of time. Weightlifting, bodybuilding, strength training, everything is just about little progression over time. Little progression, then it adds to freaking huge progression. So dumbbell wrist rollers, you guys, you can use it with a barbell too, but again, this is a dumbbell workout only. So again, dumbbell wrist rollers. The next exercise is going to be finger wrist curls. Now, again, we just worked our posterior extensors. We are now working our anterior flexors. So all we're going to do is simply go like this. All you're doing is you're curling up. You're allowing the dumbbells to curl in your wrist or in your fingers. Allow them to come to the very end and then curl up. So again, we're not just holding it like this. We're allowing them to come to the very end of our fingertips and then curl up. Make sure you do not drop the weights on your toes or you will howl. Trust me on this. It has been done. So again, just allow them to come down and just keep doing that and your forearms will be burning like crazy. I love that exercise. I love training my forearms, you guys. It's one of the coolest things in my opinion because being able to beat people at arm wrestles, being able to grip lots of weight on your deadlifts, my grip is not an issue. I can do any exercise at all with no grip issues at all. If it gets a little sweaty, I might use chalk, but grip is never an issue at all. No weightlifting straps needed. Train your forearms, you guys. Trust me on this. Okay, you guys. The next exercise is the front rear rotation. So again, I talked about wrist abduction, wrist adduction. We're going to get our dumbbells and all we're going to do is wrist abduction and wrist adduction with our wrist. Keep your elbow straight, don't bend it, and just use your wrist. Nice and slow motion. You can see here, all I do is I have a neutral grip, and all I do is I abduct and I adduct, you guys. That's all you're doing. Having strong wrists are extremely important. You want strong wrists. I will give you guys one more exercise just as a little tip. It's going to train your brachialis, which again is just that little ball right there. You can see it right there. You guys see that little ball? That's your brachialis. Now what you want to do for that is hammer curls Or you can also do pronated reverse curls. This will train the brachialis muscle. Another thing too is most people, when they do pull-ups, they have a weak brachialis muscle. So if you struggle doing pull-ups, but you can do chin-ups no problem, chances are you have a weak brachialis. Train that muscle, your pull-ups will be as strong as your chin-ups. End of video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share the video, like it, follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Check out the description box. Thank you.